Guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am going to share with you all my top 10 study tips for online classes. So let's start the video. So my first tip is to make a to-do list. I don't always make a to-do list, but when I do, it really helps me to accomplish the task that I have fixed for that day. It's Recently I have started making to-do list regularly, and it has helped me a lot for staying organized. So this is how I make a to-do list. So my next tip is to rewrite the condensed version of your lecture notes. So I used to rewrite my class notes before, as my teacher spoke really very fast and the note I took was super messy. But when the online classes started, I thought there will be no need to rewrite the notes, as I could write them at my own speed. I usually incorporated the condensed version of the material sent by our teacher in my notes, but for the note that our lecturers dictate, it was really difficult to understand and write at my own speed. Instead um, I just started jotting down everything so that I wouldn't miss out on any important point. So this resulted in making my lecture notes super messy. So you don't need to rewrite everything from your lecture note, but the notes specifically that are messy, from which you can't read, you should definitely rewrite them. My next tip is not to miss your classes. We don't have to travel or go out to take these classes. We just have to sit in front of our computer or phones and attend the classes. So unless it is necessary, don't avoid the online classes, don't bunk the classes, and try and attend all of your classes. My next tip is to revise or take notes of the lectured material the same day or the day after the lecture. We should take the notes or revise the material the same day of the lecture or the day after, since the lecture is fresh in our mind. But if we will keep those for revising later, then it will be very difficult for us to understand the topic and to make efficient notes. Next step is clear all your doubts. Since the classes are online, it is a little bit difficult for us to understand the concepts properly. So if you fail to understand the concept, then don't hesitate to ask your doubt. Type your doubts on the chat box, or unmute your audio to ask your doubt, or message your teacher, or simply Google your doubt. Do whatever that appeals to you, but clear your doubts. My next step is to revise your note on a regular basis. Revising the notes regularly makes sure that the concept is still fresh in our mind. By revising our notes regularly, we save ourselves from the last moment cramming for any important test or exam. So revision of your notes regularly is a must. So my next tip is, if you are not being able to memorize anything, try reading and writing it multiple times, because by doing that you will able to memorize it very easily. So if you want a video on my revision methods, then let me know in the comment section below. So if you have something like a periodic table or a map, or a comparison of something, or a very complex topic, write it and paste it near your study table, or on the wall in front of your bed, or basically anywhere where you will be able to see it again and again. By reading something again and again, it becomes very easier for our mind to familiarize ourselves with it, so we can remember the concept much easier. My next step is to prepare the topics or concepts that you will be lectured the following day. This will help you to understand the concept better when your teacher will teach them. Before the lecture, Take 30 minutes to go through the notes that you have taken in the previous lecture. This will help you understand the recent lecture very easily. You will be able to connect and associate concepts with each other. So the additional tip for today's video is to prepare for the class the night before. Gather all the items you will be required during the class the night before. It may be your books, your notebooks, any stationery item, your to-do list, or anything that you will require for the lecture. This will help you feel organized and prepared for the following lecture. If you want a video on my essentials for online classes, then let me know in the comment section below. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you happen to enjoy the video and want more such video, then do like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.